Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the environment. Install Java 11 or newer in Git, then verify both are accessible in your path. Next, fork or clone the Megabasterd repository into a concise folder name to avoid path issues. Once cloned, open a terminal in that folder and run any provided setup or dependency extraction. Make sure jar files and config sample files are present. If an executable script exists, set executable permission. This gets you ready to run the tool without delays. Once done, edit the configuration to include your cookies, preferred user agent, and the download directory so requests authenticate correctly. Then run the application with Java jar Megabasterd. Jar or use the included launcher for your OS. You will see a GUI or CLI output. Make sure to load the link or batch file you want to download and start the job. As it runs, monitor the logs for 403s or rate limits, and adjust concurrency settings to balance speed and reliability. To finish, confirm all files completed and check integrity. Rename or move outputs as needed for your workflow. If downloads fail, immediately try rotating cookies or using an alternate account or IP and reduce simultaneous connections. This often resolves rate limits and 403 errors. Make sure to save the working config and backup cookie or token files so you can reproduce success. Finally, restart the app after changes and run a small test batch to ensure your fixes hold before resuming large downloads.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.